So these are the pallet trucks for repair. 2 pallet trucks. So I show you. Here is the issue of first the cap of this spring, and the second is piston like this. This is the cap and the piston. There will be assembled in this pallet truck. And the second pallet truck issue is it is not lifting up, pressure issue. So after repair we will be show. First we are going to repair this pallet truck, and after that here is another issue on this axle. Now it will be changed. It has been damaged, cuts from 2 sides. It will be changed. First cap, second piston, and third handle axle. After repair, the first pallet truck has been ready for work. The 3 things of this pallet truck has been changed. First this axle handle, second spring cap, and third this piston small. So now it is working. It is ready for work now.